Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this H7 smartwatch. This has an AMOLED display. This uses the DuffFit app, so you just go ahead and install that in the App Store and you'll be good to go. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. We have this user manual right here. So just like most smartwatches, it uses this magnetic snap-on charging thing. So taking a look, you can just see how beautifully made this looks. It's got this very nice metallic edges. On the back, you can see that's like the heart rate sensor. That display is awesome because usually you see the blacks aren't really true blacks. But this one's super cool because it's just the colors are amazing. Looks like you got do not disturb mode. Looks like you got low power mode. You can adjust the brightness. You've got flashlights, settings. So there's that always on display. Super nice, and since it uses AMOLED, it's gonna save battery compared to a smartwatch that doesn't use that. So if I click sport again, it's gonna bring up different exercise modes: walking, running, cycling, skipping, dancing, baseball, fitness, elliptical, indoor cycling, free training, rowing machine. So that pretty much almost covers everything. I am connecting it to the DuffFit app. Let's go ahead and select H7. It tells me the battery percentage right there. It gives you like an overview of your activity, sleep, heart rate, blood oxygen level. That's pretty nice. There's even classes, so that's pretty cool. You can actually get like trainings. I'm gonna go ahead and download some of these. It's like you can even record your running, walking, cycling straight on this map. There's all kinds to choose from. And there's even like a discovery section. And I like how you can do this all from your phone. Also, if you're on the watch face, you can cycle through watch faces using the scroll wheel here. And then swipe from left to right to get access to all these different screens. You can do activity, sleep, heart rate, phone call, exercise records, blood oxygen, weather, messages, shutter. So you can use that as like a wireless shutter for your phone if you're taking a picture far away or something. Music player. And it's like you swipe to the right and you get access to. So check out this wrist raise mode. You lift it up, your screen turns on, pretty cool. There is an example of notifications. So you can see I got an X notification right there. There's a look at the heart rate monitor. So super accurate. There is blood oxygen. Makes sense. It also updates instantaneously. Now there's a look at an activity. As you can see your heart rate zones. So super clean looking. So overall, this watch is super awesome. Definitely gonna make this my daily driver. And thanks for watching.